another amazing elevator here today on the 24th of September 2023.
Asunto-osakeyhtiö Kerttulinkatuna.
And what was the address again? Was it?
Kerttulinkatu 18.
Yeah, I address got on 18 at Stakes C. We started from the Stakes C towards the Stakes A because I couldn't film the A yet, but we'll do it then the other way around.
Yeah.
It was built in 1967, turned 55, sold in 2022. I love the smell in here.
Same.
And the number is H14427 in Turku, Finland, close to the Kerttulinkatu service station, and exactly on the road where the light rail line should be built, the new one, as soon as possible. Fortunately, it was also in 1967, the same year, but the first tram line was destroyed.
Yeah.
The old one. We'll be expecting it the next year, 2024. And it was made faster and efficient for only 7 floors.
Yeah.
That's better.
Inspected by Vice, maintained by Kone.
I like the sounds also.
Yeah, but it should have got NPN7 pop-out buttons.
Of course. Because I think it's the same kind of machine as for pop-outs.
Yes.
That's it.